Hello everyone, welcome back to Banking Basta, the official YouTube channel. My name is Sonu Yadav and I am currently working as a banker. So how you all are doing, students? I hope you all are safe and healthy, and in this time of COVID you are taking care of yourself and your family as well. Since firstly I would like to congratulate those who have been selected as a banker till now. I'm really happy for you, and I hope in your coming days you will be helping those who are preparing for banking examinations. In this particular session, we are going to talk about some things that are going to help you in your upcoming days, like your joining process, document verification, medical examination, training period, and the time of the joining. How long will it take for you to join the bank? That is the most important question here. So we are going to cover all these topics in this particular one session, and you have been demanding this session from me from last 1 month. So I finally got some time for this session, and I hope through this session I'll be able to clear your doubts. Since we all know that qualifying any competitive examination is a challenge in itself. If you have cleared this examination, banking examination, that means you have really worked hard day and night. If you have cleared the IBPS PU examination or IBPS clerk examination, you really deserve this because you have worked hard for this examination. For what is coming next for you in your life is going to transform you completely. So that will be a new beginning and a new life for you. You'll be learning things like how to stay calm and focus as a banker, and how to be consistent and responsible in your life. It will all start with the joining process. Now that you are selected, now that you have cleared this examination, you are a banker now, the journey with IBPS is over now. The responsibility of the further process is with the bank that you have been given, that you are selected in, right? This complete process result to the time of your joining, it will all take 4 to 6 months, and that might delay due to COVID, right? It might take 4 to 6 months depending upon the post and the bank. So I would like you to use this time wisely. Spend more time with your family, because there are more chances that you will be given your first posting away from your home zone. Like if you are from Haryana, then there are chances you will be given your posting in Punjab, Himachal, or might be in Madhya Pradesh. The next step is your document verification. For document verification, intimation will be given to you through mails, post, or by phone call from your HR department. Document verification will be similar to that done during your interview. If you are selected as a bank PU, that means your document verification was once done at the time of your interview, and that will be similar, except some certificates that you will have to provide them, like your medical certificate, your income certificate. If your family income is less than 12,000 per month, then you should carry your income certificate if you want to add your parents as your dependents. For that, you will be given some benefits in your bank, right? And you must provide them your category certificate. If you are from SC, ST or OBC category, then you must provide them, you must carry your category certificate. You should have your residential proof, that could be Aadhaar card or any certificate, and one must has your character certificate. The next step will be your medical. For medical certificate, format will be provided to you by your bank. Okay, so in that particular format you will be provided by your bank. You will need to get done with your different tests as mentioned in the format by any reputed government hospital. Okay, in some banks, medical examination will be carried out by bank medical officers, and in some cases you will have to show them medical certificate from any reputed government hospital. After this document verification, police verification will be carried out by bank. When they will call you for the branch allocation, then you must carry your luggage with yourself. Okay, so there will be no time. You will have to join the branch maybe on the same day or on the next day, right? Training period, this is something that you are so much curious about. Before COVID, training was provided by different training institutes of the bank for like 10 to 15 days, and that could be vary from 15 to 30 days also, depending upon the bank. So nowadays it's the time of COVID. It's not safe going out for any training. So nowadays training is run by bank through virtual means, right? My training was at STC Noida, and it was for 15 days, and that was a fun time. I can never forget that time. So here, this is something that I think you must miss. And so I hope through this session I'll be able to clear some of your doubts, and if you have any doubt you can comment down in the comment section. If you are aiming for something else after clearing banking examination, if you are aiming for UPSC or something, then you must start your preparation from today. Don't waste this time. This time is going to really help you in your upcoming days. So yes, this was all about today's session.